Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome to this video. So this is going to be Bitcoin SV price prediction for March 2021, and in this video we are going to use token metrics. So token metrics is a machine learning software. It's a subscription based software. You can check it out, link in description. You can check out the trial there. And what this machine learning software does is that it uses past data to predict the future data, but it also does that very cool thing, because it also has uh, real like employers and real business behind it. So very smart people are building it, and they have a huge team that will check out different cryptocurrencies, like a lot of cryptocurrencies. They dive in deep about their teams and market standing and all that stuff. So we're going to look at that, and then also technology wise and also technical analysis. There's many points on these, like the machine learn what it will predict. So let's start here. So this is the first prediction that the machine learning does, is that currently Bitcoin SV, it's thinking that it's a pretty overpriced. Okay, so like you can see, it has predicted this already. So from $246 to to this point, currently it still thinks that it's overvalued. And of course it's not a time machine, so it's not 100% right, but I think that it has been fairly right. Also here, when you look at the investor and trader, so trader is like short term and investor is like a longer term, so that's also interesting. You can come here and check out the price prediction here, more in depth, more information here, but I'm not going to go in that detail in that, because I want to more dive deep in the fundamentals and technology part. So fundamental score for Bitcoin SV is 75%. Okay, that's cool. That's very good. I always look at all that. I hope that it always gets at least 80%, because the competition is brutal on cryptocurrencies. So if the fundamentals and technology are not great, then I think that it's very hard to like come up. But here's the fundamental summary about Bitcoin SV. So Bitcoin SV is the fork of Bitcoin Cash. The network split in November 2018 due to disagreements related to Bitcoin Cash scaling and canonical structures. The group, which supported Craig Wright to increase the block size further to 2 gigabytes, formed Bitcoin SV. According to the groups that support smaller blocks of Bitcoin, have critiqued Bitcoin SV by saying that bigger blocks will lead to the increased mining barrier and thus centralization. In terms of competition, BSV lags behind Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Hash rate of Bitcoin is around 100 times more than that of Bitcoin SV, making Bitcoin SV far less secure than Bitcoin. The other problem with BSV is Craig Wright's claim that he is Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin. The court found his testimony false through until today. Wright has not been able to convincingly prove his identity. Nobody knows his claims will turn out in the future. Okay, so this team here sorry, excuse me, and related links you can come check in here. So here's more about the fundamentals here: scarcity, market standing, development good, liquidity good, marketing good, reputation good, team good, and security good. So it's it's Bitcoin SV. Okay, so it's I have made many videos about Bitcoin SV. I'm not going into more detail into that, but you can see here the data here, and very interesting stuff. Now let's look at the technology part. So technology wise, Bitcoin SV is not the first big, because it's not innovative like at all. It's not. Architecture good, code quality, like it's cool, but it's very hard. There's just so much competition at this point, and the competition is only going to get like worse. Okay, because as the technology matures and whole space matures, I think that it's going to be a wild ride. But Bitcoin SV Satoshi's vision is a hard fork of Bitcoin Cash in November 2018. BSV has the block size of 128 megabytes to improve the scalability of Bitcoin blockchain. But currently Bitcoin has not meant to be scalable. It's currently its store of value, and it does its jobs well. It does the perfect job on becoming a store of value. But it doesn't matter how fast or what it does, it's store of value. So yeah, I don't like but anyway, so I'm not currently invested in Bitcoin SV. That's what I'm saying. So technical analysis, neutral. So not bearish and not too bullish either. More on the bearish side. This is also the machine learning. You can see oscillators here, exponential moving averages, trends, volumes, customers. You can come here and dive deep on this. And the last data point that we're going to check out is performance metrics. So performance metrics is a very cool thing also, because let's face it, everybody who is in cryptocurrencies is in it for money. Okay, and here you can see cumulative returns versus Bitcoin. So Bitcoin SV versus Bitcoin returns. So here you can see that if you're holding Bitcoin SV, you have made good returns. Like you can see here, 200%. But if you would have just hold Bitcoin, you would have made more money. I think that's very. You can come here and check it on any coin. But anyway, now let's check out the and move into the price prediction. It's already 6 minutes here, so let's move in the price prediction part. So now we have all the data. Not all the data, but everything that token metrics uses. And I also have my own insights, because I've been in cryptocurrency since 2016. And when, by the way, when Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin Cash came out, it was just the two great rides, and they were just, you know, it was hilarious. It was crazy. They were like, it was such a like a news back then, but now it's just like it's pretty forgotten. So anyway, I'm not myself. I'm not very bullish on Bitcoin SV, but it still has the Bitcoin name in it, and you know, but I'm still not. I'm not. I don't feel confident investing in Bitcoin SV, because it's just I don't see the value there. Definitely it could rise in the short term as Bitcoin rises. If definitely good, like think about it, if Bitcoin goes to about $68,000. Currently Bitcoin is like $56,000. But if Bitcoin were to quickly go to $68,000, I think that Bitcoin SV could easily go to like $300 at least. What's probably going to happen, I think that Bitcoin SV is going to hover between $150 to $200. Okay, in March. And the most bearish scenario, I think that anything under 100 would be very bearish news. Okay, that's the price prediction now. And comment down below what you think about Bitcoin SV and the price predictions, and comment down below your price prediction. And if you know more about, I know that Bitcoin SV community is very, they just love Bitcoin SV, and it's fine. Like everybody has their own thing. Okay, so my thing is that I'm not huge fan of Bitcoin SV, but I don't like, it's cool, man. So if you think that Bitcoin SV is going to the freaking moon, just comment down below why you think, because I would love to know it. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any price prediction videos in the future. Also like this video, that would help me to increase the viewership and grow our community. And see you in the next videos, guys. Thank you so much. And also check out token metrics, link in description for the trial. Definitely try that out. So see you soon, guys.